we can finally have some quality girl time. See a movie, go to the club.
Sharpen our bayonets, oil our bayonets, polish our bayonets.
Sticks, we don't have bayonets.
Oh yeah, buy bayonets.
Why do we need bayonets?
Our team's gonna be weakened by 3, and Eggman's still out there. We have to be prepared. So, who's got first guard duty shift?
We don't need guard duty, Sticks. What we need is a plan to keep Eggman at bay.
Yeah, give me the cold shoulder, huh? You just started a war, you blue pincushion!
That should keep him occupied for a while. So, how do you want to kick off our girls' weekend?
Mud clump hurling!
Couldn't we do something a little less... How do I put this gently? Repugnant, uncouth, and boorish?
At least give it a try.
Ugh. Sorry, Sticks, but dirt throwing isn't my cup of tea. Thankfully, I know something that is my cup of tea. A cup of tea!
Why did you just say that?
Remember before I said I know something that is my cup of tea? I was just finishing the thought.
But you said that like an hour ago.
Yeah, but imagine if you were an outside observer just watching pieces of the conversation.
You see them too?
Let's just get back to knitting. Definitely seeing some improvement. But remember, you always want to knit the first row, then change to a ribbing pattern.
Sorry, but this nursing home activity stuff just ain't my bag.
I think I have an idea that'll satisfy both of us. How you doing over there, Sticks?
So let me get this straight. If I roll around in mud in the jungle, I'm a savage. But if I pay $40 to soak in it here, I'm civilized?
Exactly.
Works for me.
Amy, please tell me you're having as miserable a time as I am.
Actually, Sticks and I are having a relaxing spa weekend. But come on, I'm sure your trip isn't that bad.
Sonic! Come on out, you conniving charlatan!
Oh, come on. I just got my fur done.
Looks like your little decoy plan may have backfired.
Your decoy plan?
Sticks and I set up the fake Sonic to distract you while the guys are out of town. We wanted a weekend to ourselves. I'm sure you understand.
Robots, attack!
How about we try some press-on nails?
Toss me one of those fur extensions!
Is this one of those all-in-one shampoo conditioners? That's gonna dry out my stash!
Back for more, egghead!
Don't think I forgot about you. Must you always be so snarky?
I should be more like you. A maniac in a mech suit firing lasers at everyone.
What's the big idea? He didn't do nothing!
Actually, he didn't do anything.
Sonic, I am really not in the mood for your practical jokes right now! Sticks and I got our hands full. We'll talk later. This isn't working. We gotta try something different. Mud Club hurling!
There's mud all over me that I didn't pay $40 for. What am I, a savage?
I I got an idea, but I need to borrow a few things from your store. If you got a problem with that, give me a sign. Great, thanks. Finish the first row, then switch to a ribbon pattern. Best girls weekend ever! Yeah! This whole time I thought Eggman was gonna be our #1 problem, but it turned out to be Belinda.
You never know what to expect around here.